So quick video real quick here based on a question by Shay Kelly. So asking about once the cover is back on and having difficulties getting the clutch cable attached back to the actuator arm, whatever you want to call that, whatever the proper term is, and saying they were having a hard time getting the cable far enough back because this would only swing so far forward. So I do actually remember, I forgot about this until I came down and started playing with it. I do remember having an issue when I was trying to do that. And what I found is you can actually grab this cable and pull it back and get a little extra slack. You'll actually see it move the lever back. So there's a certain amount of slack. Don't assume that just because your lever's in the neutral position that that's all the way out. It can even come a little bit further forward and that actually gives you some slack in the system. Now that's not to say that this was easy. I do remember fighting this, but it was a combination of getting it pulled out and pushing this back with the other hand and doing everything just right until I finally got that to slip in. So that's my best advice, is to kind of fiddle with it, but just the key is to know that you can actually pull back and get a little extra slack in it. So I hope that helps, and let me know if it doesn't.